श्री गडकरी के घर पर जो जासूसी का जो मामला प्रकाश में आया है, तो हालांकि वो कुछ बोल नहीं रहे हैं इसके ऊपर, लेकिन मामला ये काफ़ी गंभीर है, इसके ऊपर चर्चा होनी चाहिए। और चर्चा के बाद मैं समझती हूँ कि इसकी जांच भी होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि अभी तो गडकरी के घर के ऊपर हुआ है सारा कुछ, तो कभी पता नहीं किसी और के घर में ये लोग मशीन रख देंगे तो कोई भरोसा नहीं।
सुषमा राजनाथ का भी नाम आ रहा है।
हाँ ना, तो ये तो ठीक है ना, इसके ऊपर तो प्रतिबंध लगना चाहिए ना, क्योंकि मान लीजिए तुम जासूसी कर रहे हो, ये कोई क्रिमिनल लोग तो है नहीं। मान लीजिए कोई क्रिमिनल है, आपको कोई अपराधियों का पता लगाना है या कोई आतंकवादी है, तो तब तो हम कुछ समझ में आता है, लेकिन ये तो ठीक नहीं है। किसी पॉलिटिशियन के घर में इस किस्म की ये जो जासूसी की जा रही है, आज उनका मामला कल को किसी और का आ जाएगा।
मैम, सुब्रमण्यम स्वामी ने अमेरिका का इसके पीछे हाथ बताया है, जॉन कैरी इंडिया में है, आपको लगता है उनके साथ उठना चाहिए?
अभी इसके बारे में तो मैं नहीं कुछ कह सकती, ये तो जांच का विषय है।
मैम, उत्तर प्रदेश
देखो, सहारनपुर के बारे में मैं आपको ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि जो कुछ उधर हुआ है दो समुदाय के बीच में, उधर मुस्लिम समाज और सिख समाज के।
Well, the opposition going on to say that where there is smoke, there has to be some fire, demanding that the government, by merely saying that there were no high-power listening devices found at Nitin Gadkari's office and residence, they cannot brush aside the matter. They're asking whether any detailed investigations were carried out before they came to that conclusion. But the government, for now, is not saying much, merely denying the reports as being completely false and speculative. The issue, however, is on the burner. We listened to some of the political reactions we got earlier in the day.
सर, आज ये बगिंग का मामला कांग्रेस और सपा कह रही उठाएंगे, जेडीयू भी कह रही उठाएंगे, इस पे साफ होना चाहिए क्या बगिंग हुई थी?
क्योंकि आपका भी बगिंग हुआ है सर।
So, of course, for some of the political reactions we got in before the House convened, the Rajya Sabha was adjourned for about 15 minutes, considering the opposition that had been raised by the Congress, the Samajwadi Party and the JDU. Aditi is on the phone line with us for more on the story. The government for now, Aditi, saying that the media reports are false, but they're not really coming clear on whether or not any sweeps were carried out, whether these media reports warrant some kind of investigation. Is it likely that Nitin Gadkari himself will take to the floor of the House and issue a statement, because that's what the opposition wants?
At this point of time, Abhijal, the government is trying to brush the entire issue under the carpet, and that is why they are trying to maintain as much silence as possible on this entire issue. The opposition at this point of time is trying to corner not only the BJP-led the NDA government, but also Nitin Gadkari particularly. How they are expecting Gadkari to come out and give an official clarification, a statement in the House, but that seems to be unlikely at this point of time, because the government says that Nitin Gadkari has sent out an earlier clarification. A clarification had come out from the Home Ministry as well, so there is no reason for the government at this point of time to give an official statement, an official reply on something which is speculative, on something which does not have any truth behind it.
Right, Aditi, do stay on with us. We'll talk more about why the government is being so tight-lipped as far as this issue is concerned, but we listened into what that statement was from the Union Home Minister in the Rajya Sabha just a short while ago. You know, Aditi, isn't this flat denial by the government, refusing to engage with the opposition as far as this issue is concerned? Is that strategy not creating more suspicion as far as the bugging row is concerned?
Absolutely, Abhijal. It is the Congress and the opposition parties are questioning as to if the entire story is untrue, if the entire story is baseless, then why isn't the government coming out and saying that there is definitely no smoke without fire? So where exactly does this issue rise from? In fact, Nitin Gadkari has not spoken to the media yet. Even today in the morning, when the media tried to question him regarding this, he completely refused to react, and so did the Home Affairs Minister, Mr. Rajnath Singh. A statement that has been given by the Home Minister Rajnath Singh in the Parliament clearly goes on to show that the BJP at at this point of time does not want to give much importance to this issue. They want to blame the opposition for creating ruckus and stalling the proceedings of the House for some issues that they themselves are creating. And Rajnath Singh clearly had said that these media reports are untrue, but they are not giving any substantive statement as to why the government is not giving more clarification on this, whether the government is going to order an investigation in this matter or not. And this is the same thing that we have been seeing over the past 3 days, the government stand Abhiral. So clearly, even though the Congress and the opposition is ready to corner the BJP knows that they want to stick to their stand, and it is highly unlikely that they will put forth Nitin Gadkari to give an official statement in the House.
Absolutely, Aditi. Thanks very much for getting us that perspective on this big story.